Hill from DoneRight Management. We are ready, set, go. Now they do have a pretty cool little fireplace that's built in right here. So just across from these two lovely chairs, with these cool little things right here, little urchins. This little fireplace has a remote control. You have your power on the top here, so that'll actually turn it on and off. Now there are instructions right up here where it says go jump in the lake. So it has the instructions: light on, off, temp down, slow heat, heat on, off, temp use, fast heat, and brightness. So you get to play with it. Here are the instructions. You got the instructions. Here's the remote. So if you have any further questions, reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Landline number is 208-634-0030.